Welcome to Realm University. My name is Michael Baldwin, and this video is to take you through the settings required to activate Email AI and also the invitation process to add your property managers to the Email AI environment. As you can see, we're here in the Realm portal. Smith & Jackson is our test agency that we use for all of our test environments. In the portal, no surprises, we're in the Email AI section. And it really is as simple as selecting your email service from the drop-down selections. I'm going to go with Google for this video because I wanted to reinforce the need to verify the Email AI application in your Google Gmail admin console so that the two can work together. We have a separate video for that, which you see across the top, which is our additional videos and documentation to assist you with setting up Email AI. But for the moment, you just need to remember that there is a precursor to complete before adding your property managers that have Gmail accounts. So we've selected on Google as our email service, and it's simply a case of typing in their email address into the Watcher email input box. I'm just cutting and pasting because that is quite a long email address. And we call it a Watcher email because Email AI is basically doing that. It is watching your Gmail inbox, in this case, processing the emails and presenting them in our grid and editor for you to work with. So once you've got the email address in, you click on invite and you'll see here that the invitation for this email address has been sent successfully. If you ever want to remove a property manager from Email AI or their email address, it's simply a case of clicking on remove. And it's important to note at this point that this email address that you use for Email AI for your property manager must be the same email address that they use in your property management software. So that invitation is now on its way to the property manager. The other email addresses that we can enter is the section here for reception email. Now there's no invitation sent in regards to this. This is really just used as a marker because in the grid and editor, we identify emails coming in from your reception area so that if you've been out visiting a property or your tenants or your landlords, and you come back to the office, it's a quick and easy way to identify any messages you may have received that you may need to act upon. So again, let me just copy and paste an email address into there. So you're not sat watching me trying to type, and click add. And again, it's add rather than invite because nothing actually goes out to the receptionist. It's just a way of us marking that email address. As always in the portal, don't forget to click save. Settings save successfully so that you don't need to come back and do this again. So now if we go across to the property manager email address, your property manager will obviously receive a similar email to this, but it will have your agency name in there rather than our test agency. Basically, this is the invite, and to activate the invitation, it's basically a case of clicking on here, the word here, and that will take you through into the grid and editor for Email AI, where I mentioned reception. So this is where you would see all your emails from reception, and the whole grid and editor environment has a separate video. So for the moment, thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.